The water is so intense, my lenses are getting wet all the time. You can't come to this place without wearing a raincoat because the water is just splashing on your face. Assalaamu Alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's vlog, I'm covering Harvalem Waterfalls. Instead of going to a beach, I wanted to show you a waterfall in Goa, which is close to Candolim. So let's begin the vlog. Bismillah. This is the beautiful countryside of the western part of India. Again, it's been raining today since the start of the day. The western Ghats of India, the western side, is known for its greenery. Just look at the greenery here. Lush green trees, lots of... Oh, there's another beautiful bridge. It's so amazing to see so many beautiful bridges across the city. Look at this one. This is 5,000 years old cave. We'll take a closer look. Right now just trying to park somewhere and then come to this spot. This is the entrance for Arvalem Waterfall. So the waterfall should be on this side. Let's go towards the waterfall. Oh, I can see the water body here. This is probably the river, the stream. And I can hear the waterfall straight over here. So let's go and check it out. You can get some fresh prawns over here. And there are some refreshments, Maggi, biscuits, tea, everything is available. Oh, just look at the waterfall. Inshallah. So this is the first view, or the first look of the waterfall. Just look at it, mashallah. That's for full force. So we are here actually at the best time because monsoon is the best time to be here. The water flow and the level of the water is very high and I can feel the stream on my face. The water is flowing with full force thanks to the monsoon, and it's been raining since morning, so the water force is much higher and the water is flowing at a full force. Let me try to take a 360-degree view of this place. Let's go to the closer spot. There are some stairs here, and that takes you closer to the waterfall. Let's go. This is a much closer view. This is the corner where you can come and click pictures, and there's strong water which is coming in the form of like a mist. The water is so intense, my lenses are getting wet all the time. You can't come to this place without wearing a raincoat because the water is just splashing on your face. So let's climb up the stairs and see what's here. Okay, there's a chai point here. So if you see, there's a chai point. And let's look at this side, what's here. So that's slightly a better view over here. And look at this. So the sound of water is more intense here. This is the upper side of the waterfall. You can just climb up the stairs. There's chai being served here, and the force of the water is really intense here. Okay, let's see what are these guys cooking, what's available here. So I see some of the biscuits, and they're making some pakora and some chai. This is an ideal place to come and have pakora and chai, especially in this weather. And here we have a doggy. We're feeding him with some biscuits. He's happy to munch on these biscuits. For a moment, I actually feel that I'm somewhere in northern part of India because this place is quite hilly, and it just reminds me of the hills in the north. It doesn't feel like that I'm at a beach destination. I'm sure a lot of people who are watching this video, they must be surprised that is it Goa or is it northern part of India. So the lady is telling us that the water that we see in the waterfall, that gets collected at the top of the hill and it flows down into the river, and then this water flows into the ocean. So finally the pakoras here. Let's try them out. Good. So I've been searching for a washroom here. Finally found one after dodging through this interesting path. Just look at this beautiful background here. Okay, finally found one. I don't know how do I enter this place? So I've come down here in search of a washroom. I'm still yet to find one. In fact, there is no way to enter this place. Okay, and here it says Kripya, I don't know, Chappal Thai. The water from the waterfall flows down from here to the ocean. Okay, let's go onto this bridge and see how's the view from the center. Looks like a very old bridge. This place looks like a forest. It just feels like I'm in the middle of the forest. If you look at this side and where I'm standing currently, it looks like a dense forest actually. Oh, I didn't realize that the scooters can also pass through this bridge. So behind me there's a scooter passing through this bridge. Look at the trees. Trees are so dense here. It actually feels like you're in the middle of the forest.